Good morning! Today is an exciting day. We are going to be visiting an elephant sanctuary, an ethical one. It's called Elephant Nature Park, and not only are we going to be spending the day there, but we are going to be spending the night there, and I cannot wait. This has been on my bucket list for so long, and I just have dreamt of this day, and it's finally here. So let's go see some elephants. We have made it to Elephant Nature Park. This place is amazing. They have thousands of animals on this property. They have 115 elephants, and these elephants were all rescued from horrible situations from the logging industry that is now banned in Thailand, but it still happens. Landmines that they have walked on. There's just so many animals here, and they're all rescued, and it's an ethical place to visit. The founder, Lek, has done such amazing work, and it is truly a magical experience to be on this land, seeing the elephants in nature, and no chains, no riding. It is absolutely beautiful, and I'm about to show you a short clip of how they live here at Elephant Nature Park. This is truly a magical experience just to see them in their element. This just shows you the type of life that these elephants have on this property. They're not being forced to bathe and take pictures with tourists. They are truly just living the life they deserve.
This moment's pretty incredible, isn't it?
Yes, it's amazing. I can't believe this.
There's like so many of them.
Each elephant on the property, there is 115. They have a mahout, which is their caretaker, and the elephant really only listens to their caretaker because, of course, the caretaker gives them food, and so they will listen to that caretaker. And some of these elephants you can touch if the elephant wants to be touched. Others don't really like to be touched because of their past experience, like I said, the logging industry, or if they were tamed for the circus or riding, and the way they tame these elephants is not a pretty sight, but they can tie them down, poke at them. It's just a really horrible things that these elephants go through. But here at Elephant Nature Park, they take such good care of them, give them all the vet care that they need. It is truly a beautiful place, and if you can visit here, I highly recommend it. Not only are there elephants on this property, but there is water buffalo, thousands of dogs, thousands of cats. This place is filled with animals. We just saw some cows walking by. It is truly my happy place. So they have cats and dogs here on the property. They have over 2,000 cats on this part that's called the Cat Kingdom, where you can go visit all the cats. And they also have thousands of dogs that are even up for adoption. And then you'll just see dogs roaming through the nature park, and I'm assuming that they're probably adopted by people that live here or work here, but it's amazing to see dogs just strolling through while you're eating. And also they have dogs that are in wheelchairs, that are handicapped, that maybe got hit in the street, and they're taken here and you can adopt them. Not only can you adopt, but you can come here to volunteer for, I believe, a week or two. I will leave everything in the description down below, but it is a great place for all animals.
Hi, my boy. You're a cute guy. Oh. You're a boy.
You're a boy, I'm sorry.
Oh, boy, you're not a mama. Oh, you're old and gray.
Oh, babe, this one's like the perfect size.
Size.
You're the perfect size. You're so precious. Oh, yeah. Hi. Oh. You're a lover.
Not only are you able to do day visits, but you can also stay overnight here. And these are the accommodations. They're very, very nice. So you can hear all of the animals, maybe even the elephants possibly at night. Pretty excited. This is amazing. I did a lot of research before coming and choosing which elephant sanctuary I wanted to visit, and this was the one that I found to be the most ethical. Lek is the founder, and she has been working with elephants for so many years and rescuing so many of them from horrible conditions and situations, and now they live such a beautiful life here. And I just wanted to let you guys know, because a lot of people aren't informed, including me when I was younger, about coming to Thailand and seeing elephants. And I never believed riding them was ethical, but bathing them, in order for them to do certain things, they have to be trained, and they're trained in horrible, horrible situations. You can look these things up. I won't leave these graphic images here on this channel, but if you want to do more of your own research, I highly, highly recommend you to do so, because there is so many places here in Thailand that still do not treat these elephants the way they should be treated. And this place treats them with love, compassion, and truly you could just see that they are living the life here as normal as it can be. Not all of the elephants here can be placed back into the wild because they have grown up in domestic situations, so they wouldn't be able to return to the wild and fend for themselves. But here they are well taken care of with their mahouts, and you can even buy birthday cakes and choose an elephant that you want to eat a birthday cake, and they design it with fruits and very beautiful. So that's one way you can contribute to Elephant Nature Park. You can also come here and do what we did. We stayed overnight, 2 whole days with the elephants and all the animals on this park. Also, you can volunteer with dogs if you would like, or volunteer with the elephants. So just be mindful when you do come to Thailand, and make sure you do your research before you go to any sanctuaries, because they can say they're sanctuaries, but really they are not treating the elephants the way they should be. So I highly, highly recommend Elephant Nature Park on your next visit to Thailand. And I will leave all of the information down below in the description box if you would like to donate or come visit here or volunteer your time. And I am going to close out this video with some more elephant content if you haven't seen enough already. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.